Okay guys, this one is ready. Time for me to remove it. As you can see. Okay guys, I will add one more Maggi to the akara, to the beans. So we are going to fry this akara, guys. So I'll add onions. So I don't already blend pepper, so I will not add pepper. I will add a little salt. So you mix it. So my oil is on fire. Let me first fry this akara. So this is how you can all it together. Let me check if there is salt. A little bit. Salt. All it together. And all to fry the akara. My hand. This is my akara. Okay guys, this one is ready. Time for me to remove it. As you can see. Guys, get it done. Remove it. Akara, sweet akara, sweet akara there, yo. 3,500 naira, obele, obele, there, yeah, 3,500, 3,500, obele. So guys, this is it. So when I come back, I will finish the rest. So I have appointments. So I'm going to appointment. Look at the remaining one. When I come back, I will finish frying this one. Ciao.